What's going on, peeps? So I'm gonna do a little video about this. It's just gonna be like a little unboxing, I guess. Nothing special. I was just kind of excited about it, so wanted to make a video. I might upload it to YouTube, who knows. But I am gonna start trying to collect some of these at least. I got the 400%. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it's alright. So I'm just gonna open it up carefully. You know what I'm saying? Got it from StockX. It was like 120, something like that. After shipping and all, it was like 150 something. It shipped out really quick actually. It came here through DHL. So I'm assuming it's probably been opened already or something. I don't know. I thought they came with like a little plastic bag. But I got the little mold right here and the actual figure, which is pretty cool. And you can move the arms and shit. So eventually I want to work up my way up to like the Bape ones and, you know, the little bit more expensive ones. But I just wanted to start off with something like this. And I do want to get like the 1000%, because I know those are way bigger. It'd be cool to just have one of those in the room. You can like move it around and stuff too. Or this torso, its head. I really hope I don't break this shit on a video. But it looks pretty cool, man. It's 130, like I said, 150-ish. So if you have a little money on this side, I guess that'd be a cool thing to buy. Get another look right there. As far as this like packaging, it really is nothing special. I mean, it's just the box. I guess it's a cool box. I'm gonna keep the box, obviously. I might just have the guy chilling like on the outside. The mold is pretty cool too. I thought they came like plastic wrapped. I don't know. This one, I guess it's just open or something. Shout out StockX, but I might be wrong. I don't know. This is my first one, like I said. I'll have more eventually. And the mold, you can like clip it in there. It's like a little. I'm not gonna do that right now though. I'm gonna take it out. So one more look, and then that'll be it. Man, this thing is badass.